Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a new widget and also you can use that. So let's go to our simple then htdocs and then WordPress and then finally WP content themes and go to current theme. So let me check that which is our current theme. Our theme name is Don1. Okay, so what I'll do, just go to here Don1 and then find functions.php. So just click on this and just open this file, and remember you need to open functions.php and then you find sidebar. Okay, so these are the sidebars. So register sidebars. If you want to create one more uh, sidebar, then in this case just copy from register sidebar to this two parentheses and then semicolon. Okay, so just paste below and just change the name here, so it will be sidebar and then uh, okay, so what's name currently here? Let's go to widgets and then its name is sidebar. Okay, so I will name it as footer sidebar. Footer sidebar, and then description you can leave as it is, but what you need to change here, this id. Okay, id, so I'm keeping the id as 2. Okay? Now after changing this, let's open the admin section and click on widgets, and you can see a new sidebar here. So as you can see, it's really very easy to create a new sidebar. Okay, now that we have created the sidebar, let's just uh, put anything here. For example, I just want to put a list of the pages here. Okay, so it's here. Now let's go to the theme and footer section. So not only footer, wherever you want to display this sidebar, uh, you can go here and then just find footer. Okay, so this is the footer, and then just write here dynamic sidebar. Remember, to display the sidebar you need to write here dynamic sidebar, and then you need to pass here the parameter as sidebar 2. So what is this 2? Actually you need to pass this id here. Okay, so it is sidebar 2. Now let's see that if the list of the pages is displayed or not. So let's go to footer section, and you can see this widget is called here. Now suppose you want to display this uh, in maybe in header section or wherever you like, maybe inside in the right side. Okay, so just cut this and go to sidebar section, sidebar, and just open this and paste anywhere here. For example, I just want to paste here, so simply paste here, and you can see apart from this I'm just writing here HR tag, so that there will be horizontal lines and it will be easier to recognize. Okay, so where is it actually? Okay, so this is the one. Okay, no, this the second page is anyway. So in short, wherever you want to display these, You can simply paste. For example, you want to display in a header section, then you can paste in the header. So once again, let me repeat that what is the procedure. Okay, the procedure is really very simple. What you need to do, go to functions.php. Let me show again. Okay, it's coming here. So what you need to do is go to functions.php. I'm just going to repeat this. So just go to functions.php and then find control F, that means find, and find sidebar. You go to sidebar here. So you will find a register sidebar. Okay, so copy from here to there and then just paste below and just change the name of your sidebar and simply change the ID here. And after changing this, you will this sidebar will appear inside your admin part, and then you can simply place anything whatever you like. And after that, to call the sidebar, newly created sidebar, into your theme, you need to write this code. Which one? The dynamic PHP start, then dynamic sidebar, and then sidebar, then two. That is the ID. So this way you can create a new sidebar as well as display anywhere in the theme. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.